Alongside the Galaxy S21 lineup, Samsung introduced these little guys, the Samsung Galaxy SmartTags. Yes, that's right, Samsung beat Apple to the Bluetooth tracker punch and came out with its own SmartTag before Apple's long-rumored AirTags. As far as design goes, the SmartTags have a squarish shape with a small cutout at the top where you can put a keyring through or a string through or whatever you see fit. You can also just throw it inside of your bag or your wallet, depending on the size of your wallet, of course, because that might be a bit uncomfortable. These smart tags are Bluetooth enabled and can connect to Samsung smartphones in order to relay the position of the tagged item. Now, pairing is super easy. Just tap the button in the center, and then automatically you'll see instructions pop up on your Samsung device. It connects quickly, though there are a lot of prompts and updates that you'll need to go through when you first set up a smart tag. Once everything is set up, you'll see everything inside of Samsung's SmartThings application. You can obviously track the physical location of the tag itself. You can force that tag to play a chime in order to help you find the item. You can ping other Samsung owners that might be around the tag so they can help find the lost device for you, and much, much more. You can also use the smart tag to help you find your phone itself by simply double tapping the button in the center, and then your phone will play a pretty loud sound in efforts to help you find it. The smart tag pretty much has all of the same functionality of a traditional Bluetooth tracking device, like Tile for example, and a lot of the same features that we heard were rumored to be included in AirTags. But one feature that's interesting is Samsung's implementation with smart home devices. You can actually set short button presses and long button presses as a custom smart home function, like turning on your lights when you get home, turning your cameras on or off, etc. This will all run through Samsung's SmartThings app, so anything that's SmartThings compatible should work with the SmartTag. Unfortunately, I didn't have a whole lot of devices to really test this functionality out. I actually only have two SmartThings cameras, but they're not even set up. But it's really cool to have the ability to be able to turn on or off certain smart home accessories. Like for example, if the smart tag is hanging on your keys and you arrive home from work and you just want to quickly turn on the lights, you can just press the button and everything should turn on. I'm hoping if and when Apple does release AirTags, there's some sort of smart home implementation like Samsung did with these smart tags. As far as battery goes, the SmartTag is using a traditional CR2032 replaceable battery. And all you gotta do is pop open the back cover and you can easily swap them out, but it's not rechargeable like what we've heard with rumors surrounding Apple's AirTags. It's unclear as to why Apple is taking so long to release its own Bluetooth tracker, but it does seem as though Samsung was able to keep this new product a bit under the radar until its surprise announcement at its S21 event. And it's interesting that they were able to beat Apple to the punch here, but of course I would love to know your thoughts on the new Galaxy SmartTags in the comments down below. Is there anything that you'd like to see Apple do with its upcoming AirTags if and when it ever does come out? Go ahead and let me know in those comments down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.